Hello! Today we are going to learn how to write a postcard to tell your friends about where you have visited. Our book this week has been The Smeds and the Smoos, and it's a great fun book. We are going to be writing a postcard. So here is a blank postcard. We've got this side here for the writing, and this side is the side where the stamp will go and the address to who you're sending the postcard to. We will be writing our postcard to somebody. I have chosen to write my postcard to Primary 2, and to our school, Trinity Primary School, 181 New Haven Road, Edinburgh, and here is our postcode, EH6 4QA. Your postcard does not need to be addressed to school. It could be addressed to somebody else, but we do have to put a postcode and an address and the person to whom we are sending the postcard to. You also will need a stamp. Now, I've designed an outer space stamp because in our story, the Smeds and the Smoos are not on our planet Earth, they're in space. So I imagine their stamps would look different. You will get to design your own stamp. So far, you have got the who it is for, the address where they live, and the stamp. We then have to decide how will we start our postcard. I've chosen to write hello. You might want to write hi or dear whoever it is you're writing it to, or to whoever you're writing it to. Now we need to start thinking about what are we going to be writing here. Well, the great thing is that this is a sheet that you've already filled in. So we need to look at this sheet, and this is where you'll have all the information you need to help you write your postcard. Now, when you got the sheet, it came with the information about the planet Vumjum, saying that the landscape in Vumjum was a dry place with craters, the sky was blue and golden, and the things that live there, the life on Vums are green, have long arms and 3 eyes on stalks. Now, I'm expecting that you will have also filled in these boxes for the other planets to help you write your... Now you're going to find out, because these are going to help you to write your postcard. So you have to decide which planet you're going to have visited. I'm choosing the planet Vumjum because I have all the information here. Remember, you could try to write yours about visiting Lurgelstrop, Grimbletosh, or the other ones further down. But here, the planet is Vumjum. So on my postcard, I've started by writing, I am visiting Vumjum. I'm telling them where I am and what I'm there. I am visiting Vumjum. I now need to go back to this sheet to find out what I will write next. Because remember, this postcard is to let people know what it was like on this planet. So we read here the landscape. So it's a dry place with craters. Okay, so now I come back and I can write, it is a dry place with craters. Okay, what am I going to write next? That's easy. I go back to this sheet. The next section is about the sky. And the sky on Vumjum is blue and golden. So I now can write, the sky is blue and golden. Now that's right, we need to go back to the sheet to decide what am I writing next to find out. So life, Vums are green, have long arms and 3 eyes on stalks. Now I know what I'm going to write. The vums are green, have long arms and 3 eyes on stalks. Now I know that there's nothing else on the sheet for me to go back to, so it's nice to just put in a little sentence to let people know what you feel about it. I like it here. You might write, I love it here. You might write, I don't like it here. It is up to you because it's your imagination about how you feel on this planet. Okay. Next, it's about ending our postcard. So I've started with love from, and then underneath I've written Mrs. Johnston. Now, when you've completed that, we've got our postcard. So in our postcard, it says, hello, I am visiting Thumjum. It is a dry place with craters. The sky is blue and golden. The vums are green, have long arms and 3 eyes on stalks. I like it here. Love from Mrs. Johnston. Okay, now all this leaves you to do is on the other side is to design the picture that you will have on your postcard. Okay, your teachers are really going to look forward to reading your postcards. Good luck, everybody.